Don't download Tableau Enterprise Analytics Hub app before watching this. Before you download Tableau Enterprise Analytics Hub, here's the truth. It's not just a data visualization tool. Enterprise Tableau turns complex data into actionable insights, but many teams get it wrong by underestimating setup and governance. Step 1. Define your data sources. Tableau Enterprise connects to multiple databases, CRM systems, and cloud services. Most people get this wrong by connecting raw or inconsistent data, which produces misleading visualizations. Step 2. Design dashboards thoughtfully. Enterprise features allow interactive dashboards and real-time reporting. The surprising truth is, poorly designed dashboards overwhelm users instead of clarifying insights. Step 3. Integrate with analytics workflows. Tableau works best when connected to existing buy and reporting systems. Without integration, reporting becomes siloed and decision-making slows. Step 4. Train your team. Proper adoption is critical. Teams that understand how to explore dashboards, filter data and schedule reports get the most value from Tableau. The upside? Proper use of Tableau Enterprise can reduce reporting time by up to 50%, improve data-driven decision-making, and provide a centralized view of business performance. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization can manage data sources, design dashboards thoughtfully, and train teams effectively. For smaller teams, simpler analytics tools may suffice. Subscribe for honest insights to make smarter enterprise software decisions.